Subject engineering physics, common to first BTech, all branches. Set number 1, January 2025, JNTK R23 regulation. Part A, 2 marks questions. Describe the interference pattern obtained due to superposition of coherent sources. Mention the types of diffraction and give the differences between them. Define coordination number and packing factor of a crystal. Copper has FCC structure with lattice constant 0.36 nanometer. Calculate the interplanar spacing for 321 planes. Explain the terms complex, dielectric constant and dielectric loss. What is Bohr magnesion? How is it is related to magnetic moment of electron? Find the de Broglie wavelength of an electron of mass m and kinetic energy E. For metal having 6.5 and 10 to the power into 10 to the power of 28 conduction electron per meter cube. Find the relaxation time of conduction electrons if the metal has resistivity 1.43 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm per meter. What do you mean by intrinsic semiconductor? Give some example. How do you define diffusion current? Write its expression. Part Bలో 10 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగిందండి. యూనిట్ 1 నుంచి ఇవ్వనటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ సెకండ్లో ఏ. With the help of neat diagram, discuss the formation of Newton rings by reflected light. Prove that in reflected light the diameter of the dark rings is proportional to the square root of the natural numbers. B. A grating has 6000 times lines per centimeter. Find the angular separation between the two wavelengths 500 nanometer and 510 nanometer in the third order spectrum. Third A. Discuss the construction of an equal prism and show how it can be used polarization and an analyzer. What is grating? Explain the spectra formed a plane transmission grating. యూనిట్ 2 నుంచి యూనిట్ క్వశ్చన్ 4th ఏ. వాట్ ఆర్ లాటిస్ parameters? Write their significance in the classification of crystal systems. Describe in detail the several crystal systems with diagrams. How are they different from each other? 5th ఏ. With an example, discuss the law method of X-ray refraction. B. Describe de Broglie spectrometer and explain how it is used to verify Prague's law. యూనిట్ 3 లోంచి ఇవ్వబడిన క్వశ్చన్ అండి. 6th ఏ. Deduced an expression for ionic polarization. B. What is meant by local field in a dielectric and how it is calculated for a cubic structure. 7th A. With suitable example, explain the classification of magnetic material and their properties. B. The magnetic susceptibility of silicon is minus 0.4 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Calculate the flux density and magnetic moment for unit volume when magnetic field of intensity 5 into 10 to the power of 5 A by M is applied. యూనిట్ 4లో ఇవ్వబడిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అండి. 8th A. State the explain Heisenberg uncertainty principle. B. Apply Schrödinger wave equation to the case of particle in a box of infinity potential. Show the energy of the particle are quantized. 9th A. Describe expressions for electrical conductivity of a conducting material basing on quantum free electron theory. B. At what temperature we can expect a 10% probability of electron in silver have energy which is 1% above the Fermi energy. The Fermi energy of silver is 5.5 electrovolts. Unit 5 నుంచి రెండు క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే 10th లో derive an expressions for the density of holes in the valency band of an intrinsic semiconductor with a suitable example. Write the differences between intrinsic and extrinsic superconductors. 11th lay describe the drift and diffusion current in a semiconductor. Derive an expressions for a drift current. Derive Einstein relations. Set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4 4 సెట్స్ డిఫరెంట్ వీడియోస్లో అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగిందండి. ఈ 4 సెట్స్లో 2 ఓవర్ 3 టైమ్స్ ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ రిపీట్ అవుతాయో ఒక్కొక్క యూనిట్కి 5 to 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. ఒక 55 మార్క్స్ అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ పాసిబిలిటీ అనేది ఉంటుంది 70కి అటెంప్ట్ చేయడానికి.